Oh my dog.
Huff, nuff, nuff. What else?
Oh, too much gut. Oh
You
no.
said it like twice. Too much gut. Skip that one for last. Basically.
Well, basically.
So basically, we say all these things all the time. All the time.
Oh, the herpes. Oh,
Emily's got the herpes.
the herpes disease. Oh God.
And occasionally on the weekends, Emily and I smoke the hookah. Like right now. And then when we're done smoking the hookah, we yell, "Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! I love it! I love it!
You're like, I love cake. I love cake.
I love men.
I mean, I love it.
I love men who cook cake,
Who eat cake.
who eat cake."
Dude's your dad home?
Yeah, my dad is totally home.
Yeah.
But you know, my dad's not home all the time, you know?
Why is he not home?
Because he went out to go get the coffee with the dogs.
Did he go to the place around the corner?
Around the corner with the bakery.
Oh my,
The bakery.
oh my, did he get lost?
My dad got lost.
Did he call, I hope he called someone.
He
Like,
called
did
Mr. O'Buck. He called Mr. O'Buck. And then
Ugh.
he was walking out of Staten Island and he was like, "What am I doing here? I'm lost." He was supposed to be
You should have called Dawn.
He should have called Dawn.
Oh,